both widows now. You don't know what love is. I loved Harry so much more than you did. It's your fault he died. Your dowry wasn't enough. Let's do something to cheer us both up. Let's go to a movie. Can I get two tickets to Blood Rain, please?
That'd be $11.
Thank you.
Want some popcorn?
Can I get a medium one?
This is the medium and this is the large. Large you get the refills.
Okay.
Large? Buttery topping?
Yes.
Want to drink with that?
No thanks.
What are you going to see?
Blood Rain.
Blood Rain. Good choice. Say it's 20th week.
20th?
Held over.
Hello.
I'll be right with you after this or something really quick.
What you looking for?
You seem to have lost my phone number. Can I have yours?
Oh, well, there's a bunch of business
Sorry. Did it
First real invention.
Go to the bathroom.
It's the one that started.
I'll be back.
So I go back now, and this will be my future.
Well, that depends on you.
Sauce?
She left me. Have you seen my sauce?
No.
Have you seen my sauce?
No.
No! Come back!
You okay?
No, my mother-in-law, she just took off. I don't know what to do. I don't have any money.
You need to make some money?
Yeah, I need to make money.
I'll get
You get that work done
Okay,
now!
Will, I'm trying.
Oh, thanks. I just finished it. I'm kind of behind. I got yelled at today.
Oh.
Can you do me a favor and read these instructions to me? I gotta figure out what I gotta do next. Well, I don't have all day.
Is this in another language?
No.
I'm sorry, but I don't know how to read.
You can't read?
No. I don't know how.
It's okay. I'll teach
I never
you.
learned.
My Sassy
Really?
taught me.
Really?
Yeah.
You will? When can we do it?
Right now.
So, I like your dress, Chloe.
I made it the new job you got me. Thanks.
Oh, I have something I need to tell you,
Yeah?
but it's too hard.
Well, what is it?
It's just, Chloe, I love you. I love you with all my heart.
You can't love me.
But I do.
But I'm a widow.
But no, if you marry me, you won't be a widow. And you marry me, and you won't be a widow. And if you marry me, you won't be a widow.
Okay.
Dun 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 dun. Before we begin, does anyone object to this union? Okay. Do you, Ryan Skittlebag Williamsburg, take Karina Orange Plant to be your lawfully wedded wife?
I do.
Do you, Karina Orange Plant, to take Ryan Skittlebag Williamsburg to be your lawfully wedded husband?
I do.
You may now kiss the bride.